sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another cleaning video in my kind of weekly cleaning series. If you've watched my previous videos, then you know I've kind of got this new weekly cleaning routine that I'm trying out, and I'm just kind of doing each day of the week a different room, and I'm setting a timer for 30 minutes, and I will link down below all the other videos in this series if you want to see kind of what I did in each room and how much I managed to get done in 30 minutes. But today is Wednesday, and I'm actually filming this on a different week than I filmed the previous videos, but regardless, I'm going to do today the living room. Now, you probably already saw I made it the beds upstairs, which is kind of what I usually do on a morning. So I'm just gonna go downstairs, and I need to kind of tidy up in the kitchen as well a little bit, put dishes away, spray surfaces, things like that. And then I'm gonna move into the living room, set my timer, and see how much I can get done in 30 minutes. So I want to do kind of a deeper clean. I mean, I'm gonna see how much I can actually do, but I think I want to do, you know, windows, dust, hoover, and also kind of declutter a bit, because I have a few baskets in there that really need a good tidy and a good kind of reorganize. So I'm gonna do that with you today. I hope you enjoyed this, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna move into the kitchen first.
You can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so kitchen is looking so much better. So now I'm just going to take the laundry out because it's finished. I put it on this morning, so I'm just gonna take it out on the line because it looks like a sunny day, and then I'm finally going to move into the living room. Oh, I also wanted to show you something quickly. So you probably saw we got an egg chair for the garden, which is really lovely. We actually got it from B&M. I ordered it online, and they had this huge garden sale, and it was very cheap in my opinion, like compared to all the other egg chairs out there that I've seen. I think it was only £150 or something like that. So I think that's a really good price for an egg chair like that. And I wanted to show you these because I get asked about the little lights, like the white solar lights that we have outside on our fence. Those ones were from Ikea, but they've been out of stock for months. Like I can't find them anymore. I wanted to get some new ones because a lot of them have actually broken. Like the, you know, the white bit that goes on top is broken, and I think it's my fault because I left them out like all winter long, and I probably shouldn't have done that. Like I should have put them away during winter because obviously the weather's not very nice on them, and they don't light up for very long in the winter either, because obviously the sun doesn't get on the solar panel for very long anyway. So I wanted to get some new ones to replace those, but Ikea don't have them anymore, or at least not so far. So I found these, which look very, very similar. Like I even opened the box and they look pretty much the same as the Ikea ones. They were also cheaper. I think it was $5.99 for one of these. I can't remember exactly how much the Ikea ones were, but I do remember they were a bit pricier. So these come, it's only a pack of 10 inside of these. So the Ikea ones have 20, I believe, on one line, and we have 20 on one side and 20 on the other side. So I got 4 boxes of these. So they just look like this, and they've got the solar powered panel, so it just lights up from the sun. You don't need batteries, you don't need to plug it in or anything. And then they have the cute little lantern thingies that you put on top. So yeah, I just thought I would mention this in case you're looking for something similar. They have them in Lidl, at least at the moment. So yeah, I got that, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace those lanterns soon.
Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something.
Okay, so we are moving finally into the living room. So I'm gonna put on my timer for 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna go around and see how much I can get done. Like I just need to kind of tidy all of the toys, straighten up a bit, dust hoover windows, and then I really want to declutter a bit in there. Just we have some shoes in there, and then just a few bits in those baskets. So yeah, that's my plan, and let's go.
For saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids.
Okay, so I feel like I got quite a bit done in those 30 minutes. The timer has passed, so now I'm really pleased with the fact that I got the baskets under the TV kind of decluttered and organized a bit, like the one in which we have the sun cream and hats and things like that. I keep them there because we do go out the back door quite a lot, and yeah, it's just handy to have them there, but it was getting overflowing and it was just too much. So I'm happy I kind of organized those a bit, and the shoes. I do need to organize the under the stairs cupboard, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow on Thursday when I do kind of hallway, understairs cupboard, linen cupboard, things like that. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with how much I got done in the living room today. I think maybe next week when I do the living room on Wednesday, I'm gonna do a sofa dive because I'm sure there are lots of crumbs under there. Yeah, I think each week I'm gonna try to obviously do the dust and hoover and things like that, but also kind of declutter maybe toys and just kind of things that I don't get around to very often. So yeah, I do hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of this series so far. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.